Wow, Robin. It looks like Gotham City has been totally destroyed and Commissioner Gordon is at the bottom of the rubble. This looks like the hand of the Joker.
It sure does, Batman, and look, the Joker left a message.
He sure did. I can't read it.
Hold on, let me put on your bat glasses.
Thank you, Boy Wonder. Ah, I can see it now. It will happen in the Ring of Stages, where Batman lost the spelling bee in an old hickory house.
The Ring of Stages! Holy circular platforms, Batman! That's it! How are we going to crack this code?
You said it, Robin. Circular platform. What is circular?
Round.
Yes, and what is a platform?
A table.
A round table. That's it, Robin. It's a round table.
You've done it again, Batman! But what does that have to do with the spelling bee?
Well, Robin, I lost the spelling bee on the national level because I couldn't spell the word Presbyterian.
Presbyterian. That is a hard word to spell.
But what does an old hickory house mean?
Old Hickory was the nickname of Andrew Jackson.
Andrew Jackson, yes. And his house was the Hermitage.
That's it. The round table's at the Hermitage Presbyterian Church.
Not so fast, Robin. That was too easy. It may be a trap.
I don't care if it's a trap or not. I've heard so much about the round tables, I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Quick, Robin, to the Batmobile!